this goes for everybody else. If you guys are looking for the smaller stocks, right, that you want to trade, are you ready, Blake?
Yes, sir.
So a couple of them: SOXL, Soxl, it'll look like SOXL, TQQQ. You heard the one earlier, XPEV, of course, because that's recently been on a tear. Teslac, TSLQ. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's not like paying Tesla. It's $74.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, Ford is a little bit more lower cost. SPXU, which is inverted SPY. And then SPXL is the actual one that runs the same as SPY. CCL, if the cruise lines are moving, that one's another low cost, good one. When it's running, that's a nice one.
Ford's a good one that moves slow too, Coach.
Yep. Ford for sure. Ford is where I point everybody to, by the way, to start, because it doesn't move fast. It's not volatile.